Okay, this is the last video for the sewer inspection over at Rockingham. As you can see right here, this is where the sewer connects to the city easement. There is a big problem with the root intrusion. My camera doesn't go through. Water is barely seeping through the roots, and it looks like the line has been repaired with some kind of a pipelining, which I don't see any problem with the lining. The only problem I see is probably where they stop with the liner. See at this joint, it's a big problem with the root intrusion. So my recommendations at this point will be to hydrojet this area so we can see clearly what's the damage of the pipe, if it's just shifted or if it's broken completely. So until we don't remove the roots out of the sewer line, we won't be able to give further recommendations. So as you can see right here, all this is pipelining up to the point where this lining connects with a plastic ABS pipe. So everything looks in perfect condition except by that connection at the end where the sewer line is about to meet with the city easement on the back of the property. And this concludes our whole sewer inspection for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drain Buster Router. Thank you very much.